The sun was just peeking over the mountains when Ignis, a young dragon with scales that shimmered in the morning light, sat in his cozy cave, polishing a worn scale. Suddenly, his friend Aelia, a clever griffin, burst in, feathers ruffled and breathless. "Ignis, the shadow gem is gone!" she cried. Soon, the duo rushed to the long chambers of the dragon elder. The elder looked worriedly at an empty pedestal. "The world is at risk," came his voice, grave and echoing, sending shivers down their spines. Meanwhile, in the bustling village square, their munching friend Grok the troll was just about to enjoy a gigantic sandwich when Aelia whisked him away. "But, sandwich!" he protested, mouth full, crumbs flying. The journey began. Ignis soared above the winding mountain path, wings wide and strong, Aelia clutching his back. Below, Grok trampled through the bushes, groaning at the pace. "We tracked the thief south," Ignis's voice narrated above the wind. At the ruined bridge, a gigantic chasm blocked their way. Ignis landed, eyes searching for clues. The only way was forward, into more mystery. In the top floor of an ancient tower, a strange symbol was carved deep in stone. The friends puzzled over its meaning, each whispering wild theories. Night fell at the shadowy forest edge. They tried to camp, but the chill nipped. Ignis attempted to light a fire, but only managed a feeble puff of smoke, making everyone giggle. Inside a nearby cave, Aelia spotted something glinting beneath a loose rock. It was an old map, its lines leading to a frightening place, Skull Peak. At dawn, they stared up at Skull Peak. It was higher and scarier than anything they'd imagined. But with a deep breath, the friends pressed on. Grok used his huge, gentle strength to help Ignis and Aelia climb a tricky ledge. "Grunt," he said with a smile, pulling them up. Inside the temple antechamber, danger struck. The walls began to close in. With quick thinking and quicker feet, they slid safely under, hearts pounding. In the temple corridor, Aelia's sharp eyes noticed a pressure plate. "Don't step there," she warned. Ignis flapped gently and glided over it. Grok tiptoed, barely making it. Next, a puzzle room stopped them. It was filled with shifting tiles. Grok, tired of riddles, smashed a wall, and the friends burst onward, laughing. They entered the Hall of statues suddenly coming alive with clanking limbs. Ignis let out a fierce burst of flame, sending them back to sleep, and everyone cheered. At the massive vault door, Aelia spotted a hidden keyhole. She worked her magic, finding the key and unlocking the way forward. Inside the vault, the shadowy thief Morwen was placing the shadow gem on a mysterious altar. "Stop!" cried Ignis bravely. Morwen wasn't planning to surrender. With wicked hands, he conjured swirling bolts of shadow magic. Ignis dodged them with swift wings. Grok barreled forward, accidentally knocking the altar. The shadow gem tumbled and cracked a little. Dark energy began to pour out, swirling menacingly. Morwen looked horrified as the dark energy hovered, then darted straight for him. He tried to run, but it surged around, leaving him stunned. "We have to go now!" shouted Aelia, grabbing the cracked gem. The friends dashed out just as the ancient temple shuddered and began collapsing behind them. Ignis scooped up both Grok and Aelia and shot into the sky. They looked back, hearts thumping, as Skull Peak seemed to crumble under its own shadows. Relief at last. Landing hard in the village, they were greeted by a rush of friendly faces. The elder was waiting. They presented the gem, and the elder examined the crack. "It is damaged, but safe," the elder assured, relief softening his wise features. Gently, the elder placed the gem into a brand new, protective locket, a shimmering shield for the world's safety. As night fell, the village celebrated with a feast. Grok munched 2 sandwiches at once, laughter rumbling through the crowd. A child tugged at Ignis's tail, asking for a story. Alia and Ignis shared a proud, knowing smile. They'd done it together. In his cave that night, Ignis nestled the locket of the shadow gem near his treasure hoard, finally at peace. But as he drifted into dreams, a mysterious sound echoed in the dawn, a new adventure calling him already. Fade out.